Guys, I want to give you a rundown of what this system is capable here. This is a 4-channel Bluetooth audio source amplifier. It has 500 watts. This is like a home stereo system. It's not like something you'd put in a car. It's got a lot of capabilities for sure. It's a 4-channel amp with subwoofer outputs, 8 ohms. It has headphone jack setup, of course AM FM radio, compatible with MP3s, WMAs, and has a flash support of up to 64 gigabyte remote control with remote control battery. And of course it runs off of 110. Instant wireless audio streaming, works with all of today's latest wireless Bluetooth devices. I.e. what that means is you can be at the track and play movies off your phone as long as you have Wi-Fi access. It's pretty badass and it absolutely cranks. That's why we had to put the sound deadening material in. The walls are insulated with the sound deadening material on the walls, which is what you'd see like in a high-end sound room, and it freaking cranks. And the system, I mean, you can blow up the pits with this thing, man. 12-inch subwoofer mounted in the box here. 12-inch sub, and of course we've got these 6x9s and with the tweeters in them, and of course the ones in the back there. So you've got 100 watts, 125 watts per channel, and then the subwoofer out, and the subwoofer has its own amplification. It's a they call it a Rock Shaker 10 subwoofer with a custom cabinet, and of course there's sound deadening inside of here, and on top of that we've got the Dynamat. We got to put a 500 video on here for you, of course. Super crisp, clear, high definition, 40-inch TV.
Arch your edges and let's get ready to race.
A little Uncle Ted for you. Turn it up a little bit.
Is that John Dowd? What's happening, John?
Turn up the bass a little bit. Well, you get the idea. The system absolutely freaking cranks. You can watch movies, YouTube videos, whatever you want to watch, or just listen to music on it, whatever you want to do. Music videos, YouTube, MP3s. It's all at your fingertips here. And at nighttime, you got a killer LED lighting system in here, 12 volt and 110. It's party central wherever you go. He's got the remote control. You could be sitting in the bed right here, laying down, and you've got remote control for the volume and everything else. So you can run the system, and the lighting system has remote control too. It's pretty cool. Not something you'll find in your average toy hauler, this type of system. Before I forget, the specs on the subwoofer is it's a 10-inch subwoofer with a 400 watt internal amplifier, 600 watts on the system, so you got a total of 1,000 watts. Actually 600 watts on the sub, which absolutely cranks. We've got it turned way down right now. 600 watts in the sub. Totally blew that. 600 on the sub and 500 on the amp. So you got 1,100 watts. 1,100 watts of rip your house, rip your trailer off the foundation, rip your trailer off the wheels. Bone shaking audio video. That's an oldie but a goodie right there. So that's it for the system. If you have any questions, give me a call, 860-454-7024. Junior can finance this for you and hook you up. Anything you need to make this yours, give us a call. Make it happen. Thanks for watching. And as always, God bless America.